Hi guys, welcome back once again. So here we are going to continue our development with the next phase. In last video we have designed this table. So today in this video I'm going to integrate the functionality for this plus button and all the functionality of this one. Okay, so we will try mostly the part of this plus button. So let's begin how we can do that. Here copy and paste. So actually this is the click event button for that grade button and also for hover button. Okay, actually I have already created and I have already set the outlet as you can see above into this class. Now I am creating function tap function. Okay, so it means we are integrating the functionality for button click event inside the cell view, table cell view. So keep watching this video by concentration. Okay, here you can see I have outlet above and inside set data function I have set the target. Now I am creating tap event. Okay, tap event for calculation, tap event for plus, grade and hour as well. So I have all these four functions. Now what I will do, first of all we will integrate the functionality of plus button. Okay, so tap equal tap of plus button, then we will call tap. Okay, so this is the scenario for handling the click event from the cell view. Okay, now we will come back our calculation controller and here we will integrate the functionality. So cell dot set data, first of all we will set the data. Okay, index path dot row, and this is we are sending the model. Okay, and same for configure set footer. Okay, now cell dot tap 4 plus equals braces, and here we can do that functionality what we want. In configure we have given the functionality for adding the item into the list, so you can see, and we are reloading that table view, and here we will pass cell count plus 1. Okay, so this will be the model, actually this will be the ID for that items inside the row. Okay, so that we can handle according to that. So it is here. Now let's run the application and we will see the output. New stroke, first time it's coming first, second you can see, and we need to hide that plus button also from the above one. Okay, and we have to handle this functionality. So what will be our next task? From top of the rows we have to hide all those plus button. Okay, so we will write the condition for that. If index path dot row double equals list dot count minus 1, then cell dot plus button equal dot is hidden false, else is hidden true. So yeah, true. So it's done. Now build and run. Now here you can see above rows the button is not coming. Okay, so fine, wonderful. Now move this model to model and give the class name, new class called as grade. Okay, and from models copy and paste this one, set the grade. Okay, we are creating separate function, separate class for model. Okay, just remove, move to trace. Now Inside the helper, I will create one more class which is called as utility. Here we will take all the require function. First function is to hide the view. Okay, for that we have to take the UI kit and UI view controller. Sorry, it's UI view controller. That's great. Here we will create one function for hiding the keyboard on tapping on the screen anywhere. Okay, make sure. And here I'll create gesture navigation. Let yeah, keyboard tap, hide keyboard tap, and remove this. It was extra. Mm, Rename this function so it will look, it sounds little good. Tap to hide keyboard. Okay, so here let tap, this is a tap gesture. Okay, and the functionality of UI kit. Okay, self and action, here we will pass the selector function as we was doing for add target for buttons. Same thing I am going to do here. Now I will create this function, and before that tap dot cancel. Yeah, and before that I will create this selector function, func hide keyboard, copy and paste, and yes, it's done. Tap dot cancel. Cancel is touch views. Yeah, false. And finally view dot add gesture recognizer, and this is tap. Here self dot view dot and editing, pass true, so it will hide the keyboard whenever you will tap on the views. Okay, and I will call this function from view did load only one time. Okay, so that's great. Now I will hide the keyboard, sorry, I will scroll my table view up when I click on any UI text field. Okay, means right now text field is going inside the mm, inside the keyboard now, that's why. So this both function is useful for that. Now we will see the output. New plus plus. Now open keyboard. Yeah, here you can see it's scrolled. So guys, it's working as expected. Now please subscribe to this channel and keep watching next video, because in next video we will integrate the functionality of this table view. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a great time.